our Master of Ceremonies, Mr. Travis Lamento, Reverend Father Felix D. Nera, our Parish Priest, our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Jennifer A. Coplano, our Municipal Administrator, Mrs. Maria Luisa T. de la Rosa, Department Heads and Employees of the Local Government Unit, OPIGA, Heads and Personnel of different agencies, guests, balikbayans, balik fiesta, Banwa at Impiga, isang magpalang gabi po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of the Bayan in the local government unit of Biga, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to our gala night. A night of elegance, gratitude, and celebration as part of our 365th Foundation Anniversary in Biga Town Fiesta 2026. 365 na taon, isang napakahabang panahon ng pananampalataya, sakripisyo at pagkakaisa. Mula sa ating henerasyon, mananatili ang diwa ng pagkabigyan, matatag, mapagmahal, at may malasakit sa bayan. Ngayong gabi, binibigyan natin ng pagkilala at rekognasyon ang bawat isa sa atin na kahit isang simpleng pasyon na bibigyan ng ugay inyong naging mahalagang ambag kung bakit patuloy na sumisigla ang ating bayan ng Biga. Ang tema natin ngayong taon, Quality Service for Society, CHES, ay paalaala sa atin na ang tunay na pagdiriwang ay hindi nasusukat sa kasiyahan lang. Nasusukat ito sa serbisyong di kalidad, batas at ramdam ng pamilyang Biganon. To our honored guests and visitors, government officials, former and current public servants, business partners, balikbayans, and their Biganons, welcome. Thank you for your continued support, love, and commitment to our beloved town. This gala night is our way of saying, salamat, salamat at tiwala, salamat at pagtutulungan, at salamat at pagmamahal sa Biga. Once again, welcome to our gala night. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much once again, your Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Emilio Bong Tani. Maraming salamat po, Vienna. And of course, our respect to the whole organizing committee of the different events here in your Biga Town Fiesta for this year. Now, for the next part of this game night, we'll now be having the induction of officers of the Biga Chamber of Commerce. As I call your name or names, kindly join us here on stage for the induction. Once again, our Biga Chamber of Commerce for the year 2026 to 2028. We begin with our President, Maria Concepcion Aquino. A round of applause, please, as I mention their names. Our Vice President, Annalisa Taraya. Secretary, Malu Mendez. Treasurer, Maria Luisa Valenzuela. Assistant Treasurer, Maria Carmel Magno. Auditor, Romel Padilla. PRO, or Public Relations Officers, Benigno Torres and Jeffrey Opande. Our Business Managers, Poblacion Area, Erwin Pobres. For the Interior Area, Francis Raniola. For Reconada, Nena Tomot. And for Coastal Areas, Marilu Odiaman. And to the yacht, our Viga Chamber of Commerce officers for the year 2026 and 2028, may we call Municipal Mayor Jennifer M. Tabla.
Itaas ang kanang kamay at sumunod po sa aking sasabihin. Panunumpa sa katungkulan bilang Viga Chamber of Commerce. Ako na itinalagaan na nahagana sa katungkulan bilang ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Natutuparin ko ng buong katapatan, integridad, at pananagutan ang mga tungkulin iniatang sa akin. Igagalang at susundin ko ang saligang batas ng Republika ng Pilipinas, alitungkunin at mga umiiral na patakaran ng pamahalaan. Maglilingkod ako ng walang kinikilingan, ng may katapatan, kababaang loob, malasakit at paggalang sa bawat bigaton. Hindi ko gagamitin ang aking katungkulan para sa sariling kapakinabangan, kundi para sa kapakanan ng nakakarami at sa ikabubuti ng ating bayan. Sa aking paglilingkod, pahinirahin ko ang serbisyong magayon, isang serbisyong may puso, may malasakit, at may tunay na pananagutan sa mamamayan. Mananatili akong tapat sa aking sinumpuang tungkulin, makikinig sa bawat bigaton, at makikipagtulungan upang patuloy nating may angat ang ating bayan. Kasiyahan nawa ako ng kanyang. Congratulations!
Thank you so much once again, Municipal Mayor Jen Poblano, and of course, congratulations to our new set of officers. Our congratulations and the best of luck to leading the commerce industry here in your humble municipality. May we have a quick photo Congratulations! Earlier today, during the parade of this Viga Town Fiesta, we have seen a lot of beautiful faces
Welcome to my channel. I'm Mr.
on their floats. Syempre,